Hey, good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. First, subscribe. But you will probably only see this in Texas. Check out the Texas rapper here at the council meetings. Hey, I had to share this with you guys. Let's watch this together. You tell me what you think. Here we go.
I'm the proof when I'm in the booth, spitting on the mic. Anti-vax. Putin hates all of them blacks. Putin is a bad racist. Put him in the ground, white or brown. And I'm in Plano town. And you know you just got found. I'm a pimp on a blimp. Eating lots of steak and shrimp. No, you can't stop my shine. I'm number 99. And you know I grind and shine. And you know I do it all the time. One more time, I'm teaching class. This is your whole path. Zelenskyy is a VIP. Ukraine and I go insane. Put a bullet in Putin's brain. You know that is the plan. I'm a Zelenskyy stan. I love you, Vladimir Zelenskyy. You are so smart. What's the smell? Did somebody fire? No way. What can you say? Vaccinate me straight or gay. I love you, and I love to rhyme and grind all the time. And you got that sanitizer, and you know I got that Pfizer. You know I stick it in my vein. Put a bullet in Putin's brain. Do it for the Ukraine. Before I go insane, let me antibacterial my body at the party, sipping Bacardi. You know the flow. And I am a pimp, cause I am on a blimp. Eating lots of steak and shrimp. One more time, I'm 99. And you know I grind and shine. Gas price is way too high. Vladimir Putin needs to die. Gas price is way too high. Vladimir needs to die. I'm the truth in the booth. Take my picture. I'm a winner. I'ma eat you for dinner. Okay.
You want to go to?
I just want to say, I love you. We need to take out Vladimir Putin, like Lindsey Graham said. Thank you, Mayor Mullins. I appreciate the time. Peace. God bless you all. Primetime Stein on Instagram. Thank you.
We got you down. We got you down.
The next speaker is Brian Wellington.
I don't know what's going on, but hey, I got to blame this on Biden. Man, the world is going crazy, so I guess we needed a laugh. But anyway, have a good night. Get a good night's rest. Wake up in the morning and enjoy yourself. I hope the gas price don't go up when we wake up in the morning. But anyway, again, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.